Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think I fixed my camera, so we'll see how it goes. Hope you're all doing well. Alex Crypto, where is Bitcoin going to go? Guys, we've recovered, okay? We recovered. We were talking last night on our live stream, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday. If we could get this close above, guys, and we got it, okay? So, yes, we got that massive 10K drop. Like, what an insane event liquidity grab. I think 600 million liquidations within 3 hours or something wild like that. So pretty cool to see that we have bounced. Okay, we've bounced, baby. We're back. We're back. We're back. I see green in the markets overnight, waking up to a beautiful, beautiful green day. So what can we expect here? Well, we're getting a little bit of chop, right? So for me, we want to see distinctive moves in one direction or the other. And you can clearly see that we have bounced quite nicely after coming and grabbing liquidity. So we have to get rid of this get above because we got above it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. And we can identify here that we're getting a green dot and a VWAP crossover here on the 12 hour. This is looking quite bullish in my opinion, considering how high money flow is up around 60. 1. Okay, 61 you can see over here on the right hand side. So this is, I don't even know if I've ever seen money. Well, it's gotten all the way up to here before, but you know, pretty intense. Okay, it's 46. I'm kidding. It's not 61. That's a green dot. But we can see the green dots printing and we can see the crossover coming, right? Anchor trigger looking kind of bullish. Let's see what we get within these morning hours. Okay, so we want to be setting ourselves up for success. So let's flip down to the 6. Okay, you got the VWAP crossover there. The 4. We got the print of the green dot. Okay, the VWAP's flattening out. Okay, so this is a very nice V-shaped recovery that we've gotten on the VWAP as well. So you can see it's come back in. It's looking to come back and retest possibly the 0 line if we do see a possible little bit of a rejection here. We've had a massive pump up, right? So we've had the massive pump up. We're looking for something like this where this comes back and we get a little bounce off the 0 line here. That would be nice here on the 4 hour for the day. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on the 4 hour. Flipping through here, we're looking for that exhaustion up here, right? So let's see if we can see a pullback coming. Right now we have the initial move, right? So it's early, it's 7:30. So what we do is we track this, we wait for the retrace, right? So where do we look for the retrace? Well, I'm going to pull a fib and I'm going to give you guys a couple of levels. We know we have key support down here. So this is going to be numero uno, okay? Key support down here. And then we want to see a retrace. And I'm still favoring longs, okay? I'm still favoring longs. I was saying that I want to see a break of structure quite clear to the downside here. We didn't even come down and take this out, right? So we've gotten a beautiful bounce and we pulled the fib yesterday off this wick here to the bottom of this move here. So from there all the way up, we got a perfect 786 bounce, okay? So look at that retracement, okay? And this is part of the game, guys. This is part of the game. That's why we use the stop loss. We put probabilities in our favor using Marcus Cipher and our good old indicators so that we can have an idea here of which way we're going to go. So what I'm going to do now is I can see that we are cooling on the 1 hour. So I'm looking for the 1 hour to kind of roll over, maybe reset for the day. We'll have to see. I see a bit of toppiness up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a fib from swing low to swing high. I'm going to go into the 15 minute here. I'm going to pull from swing low from where the move started. Not from the very bottom there, but from where the move started all the way to the top here. And I'm going to adjust this to around here, okay? This is going to be my area where I'm waiting for a bounce. Okay, very nice move back up. Let's see, first and foremost, let's see if it holds the support here. Okay, you can see we have some very minimal, but some price action within this area at 66.5, okay? And then the one below us here is going to end up at beautiful 64.7. So we're back up, guys. We're back up. We're hitting 67,000. Okay, we're not far off that all-time high that we hit the other day. And let's see if we can continue to climb upwards. Going over the crypto heat map, let's take a look here. I'll be sure to share this in our free Discord. We have a free Discord full of great traders, people helping people. It's a wonderful place to be as long as you're not a douchebag. Come over, hang out with us. We got free trading setups, free everything, man. Links in the description below. So the volatility is saying, Bitcoin, big one. ETH is moving like crazy. Cardano. Of course, the memes are moving. Don't get meme FOMO, okay? Please don't get meme FOMO. It's a wild time in crypto right now. So let's go over and check out ETH, ADA, and maybe some others. So ETH, 38.47. We gave this level yesterday that banged, okay? And then we obviously had our massive drop and then V-shaped correction. So we did buy some injective yesterday. So we did buy the dip, okay, as they would say. And it has recovered quite nicely. So 38.47 is our level that we want to see hold as support. So we want to see price action hold above here. And then we are going to have to find a level somewhere in the middle here because we don't have that much data. So let's do the same thing we did on Bitcoin is we're going to pull from swing low to swing high. Okay, swing low to swing high. And we can see our 7-8. I'm going to mark out our golden pocket here, but really I'm going to mark out here. So our golden pocket's just below there. So I'll mark out here. And why I marked out here is because I got price action down here. So this would be a level of interest. So sometimes we don't get all the way down to the golden pocket like I just marked. So we know the golden pocket's down here. However, when looking at the price action here, we can see that we've had a stop out at this level twice, okay? We've come up, we've stopped, we've continued, we've stopped, then we've continued, right? We didn't get a stop here. So I would expect some sort of reaction if we do drop down at this level here. And that level is going to be right around 36.86. Okay, so for ETH, 36.86 is going to be that level. It's gotten a massive push compared to Bitcoin, so we know the ETH ETF's on its way. So this is pretty exciting. 4K is probably in the cards pretty soon. We got just above us here, we got 4,055, 4,200. Okay, so you're aware of those charts. Maybe I'll post them as well. Let's post them as well in the Discord so that everybody gets them. Our levels to the upside and the downside looking very good for Ethereum today. So nice move, nice recovery, guys. Like it shows you fear and greed was at 92, I believe. 92. So let's check it out right now. And I do this every morning now, guys. So this is we're down to 75. We're at 92, okay? A little bit of a scare. Get everybody puckering, okay? So these are the levels for Ethereum that I'll be watching. And then Market Cipher, yeah, it's just pushing up right now, oscillating above the zero line, which is typically bullish, right? Any type of reset green dot, we're looking to front run and pop off, okay? Let's go over to ADA, subtracta, multiplication. Okay, so beautiful V-shaped recovery. Same thing. It's going to be very similar across the board. We're in that green zone where price is quite volatile. So I'm going to get rid of the green zone now. Let me put a horizontal at the bottom of it. And then we get rid of the green zone. The green zone. And we can see that as long as we hold 70 cents here, I think we can get a fast move all the way up and above 70, 77, 78, okay? So ADA's looking good. We got a little bit of a trigger here. You can see this nice, beautiful move back up. So we have that key level on ADA to hold, and let's see if it can continue to hold. ADA it was getting a move, right? So for me, I expect ADA to try and march its way back up as well, right? It was getting this move here, and then clearly we've gotten that aggressive sell-off. So now we just want to see that continuation. Otherwise, with ADA here, we can see a little bit, in my opinion, a little bit of a downtrend here. So we got to be careful with something like this. So I would mark out this, and I would look for us to get above here. Hold that support, get above, and continue its march upwards. ADA is a bit of a lagger in a lot of aspects. Okay, what else were we looking at here? B and B. Do we want to look at BNB, guys? Oh, might as well. Let's look at BNB. Let's look at BNB. It's too early for beatbox, guys. It's too early. BNB getting a big move, coming up, making new highs. Yeah, very nice move as well. Okay, so I sound croaky this morning. We're going to be on Piper's Academy covering his show. It's the Otter Gang Takeover today at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. So, guys, you better come and hang out with me because I'm running his show. I'm doing him a favor. He has some family stuff that's going on, so I'm going to be running the Piper Academy. Watch out. Watch out, man. It's going to be a fun time, man. Covering for my man Piper. So make sure you come over to the Piper Academy. I'll share it in the Discord with you guys, but 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, I'll be over there. Looking at BNB. Yeah, nice move up. Nice move up. Everything looking like it wants to cool off. Okay, it's pumped during the sleeping times for us. So like I think it's going to try and wreck people to the downside initially. I don't see this going down too much, but I do see it wrecking the FOMO crowd. Okay, Myro, massive move. Snack, climbing its way back up. The cock it's definitely not flaccid. This cock in you. We got Pepe. We got Bonk. Yeah, so lots of things are marching their way back up. But these projects that we believe in, the uni swaps, they're flying. Okay, Near is doing well. So if there's anything you guys need me to look at, just holla at the Discord, and I'll definitely get it back to you. But looking good, beautiful recovery. All right, so look at this retest here. We got a double top here on Bitcoin, looking to come back down. Let's see if it bounces. We got 382, but I would look for it to come back down to this 64,700. Okay. Much love to you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. I got drywall to carry, and I think I got to carry in 50 sheets of drywall today. So, yeah, good fun. Much love to you guys. I'll see you guys in the live stream later. Actually, I'll see you on Piper Academy. Much love to you guys. Peace out.